All right, guys, let's talk about FAQ number 8 when it comes to using Systeme IO for optimal results and so that you can start making those automation and selling your digital product or physical product. Now, this is a very important question. When somebody asks this question and said, how do I set up upsells and downsells in Systeme.io? This is a very, very important question, especially if you are selling a product. Now, let me even explain what this concept means. Right? If you're on Systeme.io, you know that you can create sales funnels, right? When you create a sales funnel, people can literally go to the site, see the products you are selling, and they can now buy from you. Some people might not buy. You can check, you can see the conversion rate. When people land on your sales funnel, the conversion rate is anywhere around 10% to 30%. If you are very good, you get 50% conversion rate for them to be able to buy something from you, or else they will leave the site. Now, the concept of upsell and downsell is very, very important. Now, let's say somebody lands on your website. So you have the top of the funnel here, the top of the website. Then you have other information that the person is seeing about what your website is all about. And the person keeps scrolling, reading articles, seeing everything, and got to the bottom of this place where the website is. And the person did not buy anything from you, right? The person did not buy nothing from you. So then the person, you have an escape button here. The person is about to click the escape button and leave, right? Then you will now introduce what is called a downsell. Maybe you are selling it for, let's say, $100, right? You are selling this product for $100, but you now discover that they went through the website, they are not interested in buying this particular product for that amount. Your downsell, you will now introduce a new product entirely or a lower version of it that you cannot tell them they can get 90% off of whatever thing that they were supposed to buy now. You are introducing a downsell or 20%, or you are giving them 50% discount. That is the concept of a downsell. An upsell is the opposite. An upsell, after the person must have bought from you, let's say the person got everything, the person bought whatever thing that you're selling. So let's go back. You have the website here, right? The person bought and the person will land on the page here. We call the page thank you page. The page where you say, oh, thank you for buying, and whatever your service is, you can go and receive it, or you can just get the service. After the person sees the thank you page, you will now say, oh, my brother, you can add this stuff to it, to a higher version of what you just bought now, right? You can get this thing again. It's going to do very well for you. Maybe after selling something of $200, now you want to tell them you can have a membership where you can pay $1,000. Usually the amount is higher for an upsell. Sometimes you introduce an upsell when you have them buy something little. You cannot tell them you want to engage, you cannot buy this. That is an upsell. After they are done with everything that they need to buy from this main place, they go to thank you page, you introduce them to an upsell so that they can buy more things from you. So that is the concept of upsell and downsell. Now, let me take you to Systeme.io and show you how to implement this simple but most effective strategy that you can use now to double your revenue. All right, so let me walk you through how you can implement the upsell and downsell in your Systeme.io account. Remember what we are talking about? We are talking about FAQ number 5. How do I set up upsell and downsell in Systeme.io? So now what you want to do is first just go to your Systeme.io here. Just click on website. When you go to the website, hover on website, you will see sales funnel. Click on the sales funnel. It will bring you to all the list of your sales funnel, right? Now you want to choose what sales funnel you want to use to implement this upsell and downsell. Now I'll just click on this one, professional programs. On professional programs, I will see what I already have. I have a landing page here already. This is the back end of the landing page. If I want to introduce a downsell, remember downsell allowed them after going through the landing page or a sales page. They don't want to buy because probably it's too expensive or they are not sure. If they want to leave, I introduce a downsell, something lower. It might even be something that will be for free, just for me to get their contact so that I can keep following up on them till they buy the actual product. So how do you implement this in Systeme.io? You want to go to add steps. Click on add steps. Give it a name. You can just say downsell for $5, right? I'll just come here and choose. Under sales, I will see downsell and just select save here, downsell. You see funnel has been created. So you see the funnel here. So this is now going to give me options to select what kind of template they will see. Apart from the one they're on the website, when they want to leave, what kind of template are they going to see so that they can now say, okay, let me just buy. So I can select whatever thing. If I want this, I'll just select it. Just select this one and say, this is what I want. I can see the configuration, how long, right? I can see other information here. If it's a digital product, of course, digital products, then voila, I'm good to go. My downsell funnel is set up for them to buy from me. Now, once we are done with our downsell funnel, so we want to also have an upsell. Remember what I said about upsell. When it comes to the upsell, they must have bought from you. Now, after buying from you, they want to go. You say, oh, thank you for buying your goods. Your service is here. You download it. You are not going to allow them to leave. Before they leave, you now introduce and say, you know what? You can actually upgrade to a better option. Have higher class. Now you bought a digital product from us, but you can also get the course and mentorship that comes with it. Click here to get it. When they click, they can also buy. That is the upsell. Most times they always buy. Once people can give you the credit card, when they can buy small things from you, they can always buy big stuff from you, as long as you sell your value properly. So let me show you how to do that. Add the steps here again, the same thing, upsell coaching. Let me see, I'm doing a coaching call as the upsell to coach the person. I just put it here, come to under sales, you say upsell, and I just say save. You give me option, what type of, I'll just choose how I want it to be structured. What is upsell going to be like? Select. Once I select my template, I will see the option. You always want to have the right name here. Choose digital products again. Once you have digital products, look at everything is good to go. You are all set to go. Here I can just upsell, coaching, whatever name. You can put the proper name. Remember, I talked about always naming, labeling properly according to what you are doing, so that you can understand and people that are patronizing you also understand. Now that is how you implement upsell and downsell in your digital products or physical products using Systeme.io. Let's go and check for Q&A number 9.